Is your T-Mobile Project 10 million hotspot not turning on? Let's troubleshoot step by step. First, ensure the hotspot is properly charged using a USB-C cable for at least 4 hours. If charging doesn't work, the battery might be in deep sleep from over-discharge. Unplug the device, wait 30 seconds, and then try charging again. A common cause is simply a depleted battery, especially after 2 to 3 years of use. Consider requesting a replacement if your hotspot was manufactured before 2023 due to potential battery degradation. Remember to verify the power source and check for any physical damage before proceeding to resets. If charging doesn't solve the problem, try resetting your hotspot. A soft reset involves holding the power button for 10 seconds. This clears temporary software glitches. If that fails, perform a hard reset by using a paperclip to press and hold the reset pinhole for 15 seconds. Note that hard resets will restore default settings. Resetting often resolves power issues. This method fixes about 70% of reported problems. These are the first lines of defense and can often fix the problem without expert intervention.